I'm Roman Shimonov, CEO and founder of Roshel. Roshel is very unique in many ways. We're designing, producing, developing, deploying armored vehicles across the world, and all of these vehicles are produced right here in Brampton. In 2023, we invested over $65 million into this facility that we're in right now. Now with the ability to control the entire process when it comes to the supply chain, metal fabrication, cutting, painting, assembly, welding, we're able to create the most competitive product line that allows us to lead the market, not just in Canada, but across the world. In the last 4 years, Roshel was able to become the largest armored vehicle manufacturer with thousands of vehicles deployed across the world. In Ukraine alone, we deployed over 2,500 vehicles, and all of those vehicles are produced right here in Brampton. And our company is the best example of a Canadian real manufacturing story. Since our investment in Brampton, we created additional 500 jobs, and this will allow us to create additional at least 1,000 jobs in the next year, subject to getting those projects that Roshel is the best position, the only Canadian company that offers the entire package of vehicles, including the tracked vehicles that we're now building right here in Ontario, in Brampton. Being recognized as the business of the year is not an obvious thing. It's a result of a very, continuous hard work of Roshel teams, and it's not a recognition of one person or one company, but it's recognition of hundreds of people that are working hard, 3 shifts, 24/7. In the last 3 years, we haven't stopped the production even for 1 day, and this continuous production basically allowed us to move much faster than other companies, and to be able to create a substantial, unique infrastructure and support of the defense industrial base right here in Canada. And this recognition is an important milestone. We'll be really proud every time when we have a delegation to show the trophy from VBOT.
The investment of $50,000 by Roshel will go a long way for us to respond to the needs of some of the most vulnerable in our community. My name is Sharon Main, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of CFSPD and the Honorable William G. Davis Center for Families. Businesses like Roshel are important allies in the work that we do in our community. I think that they're a real leader in our community around being able to partner with us to extend what it is that we're able to do in the community. I'm really pleased that Roshel is being celebrated this evening.